happy Sunday, my ladies and my gents. I'm Tex, and I'm going to chatter for a little while. Welcome to, I think it's episode 23 now of Sunday Tex Talk. So, first of all, foremost, to all the dads out there that happen to be watching and listening, happy Father's Day. Yeah, that includes you grandpas too. You wouldn't be grandpas if we weren't papas. So, wanted to wish all of y'all that just as a. And it is also the first day of summer, summer solstice. Days are going to start getting shorter now. So, anyway, a couple of things I want to bring up. Working, of course, on this Ford C Series truck that I'm going to make into do the box truck thing. And I made a discovery on the mirrors. I want to talk about that. And my mommy got me a Father's Day present, and it's really cool, and I want to talk about it. So we're going to get into that too. So anyway, let me get the camera turned around, and we'll get in. I'll start with some of the stuff that I've discovered on this truck, and some of the stuff that's happened so far. Hadn't done a whole lot the last couple of days, mainly because had a weather front come in, turn into a stationary front that was parked right overhead. And last couple of days, I have been absolutely miserable because of the front and spent much of the time in bed. So I didn't get very much accomplished. So anyway, let me get the camera turned around. We'll start talking about it. All right. Well, to start with, we have, get these guys out of the way here. I got the chassis, and I have the fabricated an exhaust pipe out of the 3.2 millimeter styrene tube. Got it painted up with the what is it? The steel? No, dark aluminum steel. Steel, I think it was the Vallejo metallics, and it just I haven't glued it yet, but it's going to fit in. Tuck it in there, and then it's going to fit down here. It's actually going to go in. Well, probably ought to do it. But anyway, it's going to go in like, there we go. Kind of like that. And then it's just going to kind of angle out. Without setting it and gluing it. Anyway, we'll get it. I'll do that a little later. But I got all of that put together. That's about the last part that I need to do for the chassis. I wanted to show this too. Let me see if I can get this up high enough where we can actually see it. These are the mud flaps that I was talking about the other day. And yeah, they're rubber. These are the 3D Concepts mud flaps. The metallic mud flap weight that I was talking about the other day, I got them on from STS Decals. These are from a kit that I'm not sure which old kit it was, but the rubber material takes decals real nice, very nice. And of course, you can see up under, no, you can't. You can now. But anyway, this is the, of course, the, there we go, the 3D Concepts suspension. And let's see if I can get this down a little bit and actually get it in. Got the air brakes, air brake chambers in and all set up. Looks really good. I really like those. Those are really, really nice. So stripped the chrome tanks in good old super clean. Didn't take but about a half an hour to get most of it off, and if you leave it in for a couple hours, it'll be nice and clean. Got them done. I wound up having to do some filling and that type of thing to get them to get together and look better, look more whole, because there's all kinds of gaps in it. Got the air tanks back here. When I started, I need a little bit of black paint back here. I'll get it when I do some other stuff. When I first started, I misread the instructions, my fault, and I had this cross member back here. And I got to looking at the instructions. No, it goes here. So I was thinking about, I'm still not thinking about putting the torsion bars on, but I haven't quite got there yet. So I may do that. Anyway, now what I wanted to bring up too, if any of y'all have done these, let me show the instructions. Kind of, you can see here, it's got this bottom piece, which is basically a half a triangle of this piece, and it comes out and it shows it to go long over here. You do that and you wind up with the mirror sitting cockeyed, because where it mounts, it goes outward. I finally realized that this is the third one of these I've done, and I've had nothing but problems. But if you take it and turn, let's get this, turn it this way, instead, it fits and it will sit square. Just a little tip when you're making these. And I was getting this thing all nice and ready for paint since I'm rattle canning it white. I need to go outside to do it, and it's too humid to do right now, so this part's on hold. I'm going to start working on the box because I need to shorten it because I'm not going to lengthen the frame. So, but just that little tidbit there. Now, I'm going to show you what I got for Father's Day. It is so cool. You got a traction engine, and apparently it's somewhat motorized. I'm not quite sure how yet. I haven't opened it up. So, let's take a quick peek at it and open it up. This is really cool. It's a wooden puzzle, ROKR, ROKR, I guess it is. And got all kinds, 469 parts. It's one of these. Get this off. Yay. But it comes with, look back here, it also comes with a light pole and a bench. It comes with a little trailer with some barrels. Even got what says suspension dampening and a shift lever, slow, park, fast, and forward and backward, and got a luminous chimney, and I mean, wow. So, let me, oh, look at this. This is cool. Even a little bit of sandpaper, like I don't have enough. All comes all wrapped up in plastic and colored and all kinds of stuff, and even got a marking tool and test, and I'm not sure just quite what all that is. This is going to be really a really cool thing to explore. Laser cut. People say that's fragile. Got to take care. The instruction book. This thing is thick. Oh wow, tools. Axles, tools, other sorts. I got a hinge, some springs. I got some big tweezers. Like I don't got tweezers. Oh, there's another hinge. Looks like I've got a, that's a screwdriver. Tiny little screwdriver. Wow. Oh, it is battery operated. Oh, isn't that slick? It looks like it's got some little lights in it too. I think this is supposed to be for smoke. Looks like we got stuff for tire treads. Got the smokestack and some string, and my goodness gracious. Over here we got a bunch of little parts, some screws and other assorted screw and parts, and a little T90 sanding stick. Feels like it's about the same grit on both sides. How cool is that? And just some more. Another part. And I guess that would be the boiler. Nice big round tube. That is so cool. Thanks, Mom. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead, finish this up. I'm not going to start on this yet. I'm going to start on some of this other. I'm going to kind of see how get this other done, and unless the weather just absolutely turns to the point that I can't get anything more done because until a paint gets started. But I'm not going to work on this yet. But I wanted to show this. This is just so cool. So, yeah, they're like $50 or something online. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Happy Father's Day. Happy summer solstice. Happy first day of summer. And speaking of, by the way, 3D Concepts Ltd., the rear end parts that I've used over there, the mud flaps and everything, 3dconceptsltd.com. They've got some new stuff coming out, including some new catwalks that just got introduced, among some other new stuff. Go check them out. $155 Canadian. You get free shipping from Canada. So go check them out, man. They're just the coolest stuff if you'd like to do trucks. VCGresins.com, where the engine has come from, go check him out. Sign up for the newsletter. He just introduced a three two-barrel Weber Chevy 6-cylinder and with waterfall pipes. That's really cool. So go check them out there. Sign up for that newsletter. Get notified when this stuff comes out. Go shop and get some of those engines. Still got a few of the turbo engines as well. At least it was when I checked them last night. Go to checkout, use promo code Jester10, which will give you 10% off your order. Does not include shipping, unfortunately, but if you buy more than $100, um, including the promo code, you get free shipping, and I'll save you $9 there. And you can always use stuff. It's real easy to get to $100, especially if you're buying engines and tires and things. So, yeah, go check them out. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. B-Tex, signing out.